All right, let's take a look at 992. An unknown gas is found to diffuse through a porous membrane 2.92 times more slowly than hydrogen. What is its molar mass? First of all, your 2.92 multiplier may be a little bit different depending on what you have there, but the setup for the problem is always going to be the same. It's going to use your comparative rate of effusions formula that's going to tell us that the speed of hydrogen compared to the speed of gas X is equal to the square root of the molar mass of gas X divided by the molar mass of hydrogen. So, we have to plug in a couple things. The first thing we're going to want to plug in is the easiest. Let's get what that molar mass of hydrogen is right away. We know that molar mass of hydrogen, it's diatomic hydrogen, right? So it's 2 times 1.00794, and that's going to be 1.00794 times 2 gives you 2.01588 grams for its molar mass. Then we've got these two guys over here. We have two variables for our speed, but only one number here. Let's write out this relationship that they give us in the formula in terms of algebra. 2.92 times more slowly than hydrogen. So, if we take the speed at which our hydrogen is traveling and we multiply 2.292 times the speed of gas X, we'll get the speed of hydrogen. And I wrote water there. We'll get the speed of hydrogen. Remember, who's going more slowly? Gas X. So who is going to be multiplied to get the higher number? Gas X, right? The closest analogy would be if something's moving at 60 miles an hour and something's moving at 20 miles an hour, who's moving faster? The 60 mile an hour object, right? So you'd have to multiply that 20 mile an hour object by 3. So that's your key relationship right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to do substitution. So we're going to wind up with a new setup for our formula that's going to look a lot like this, where we have 2.92 the speed of gas X divided by the speed of gas X equals the molar mass of gas X divided by 2.01588 grams. Cross out that speed and you get 2.92 equals the square root of mx divided by 2.01588 grams. Now we need to get rid of the square root sign, so what are you going to do? We're going to square both sides. And now we're really just into algebra. So we're going to square both sides. So that gives me 2.92 squared equals to gas X divided by 2.01588. We need to get it 2.5. We need to get that mx by itself, so we're going to multiply both sides by 2.1588 0.08 so that they cross out. And that's going to be equal to 10x. So punch it into your calculator. And I get mx equals 17. We've got 17.188 is what my calculator says. 3 sig figs based on that speed factor they gave us. So 17.2 grams per mole. That's it. Beep.